Hello, my name is Alex Ingalls, and I'm one of the librarians at Eastern New Mexico University, and I'm here to show you around our library website. There are several different ways to get to the library's website, so you can type in the URL, so enmu.edu/library. You can also get to it from the ENMU homepage, so if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, there's a link that says library. It is linked in the portal right under your campus, and it is also linked on all of your campus courses. So once you're on the homepage, you'll see everything that we offer as far as resources. So up at the top, you've got our different menu about the library itself, our special collections, things you could need help with, logging into your library account, and the ENMU website. Below that is our slider with different guides and information. You can use the arrows to slideshow through. Next to that is our OneSearch, which is where you'll start most of your research. Below that are some icons. The first one is to our chat, then to several of our social media platforms and our YouTube, our calendar, and then a guide of information about our government documents. To access the chat, to talk to a librarian, you can either hit this icon that is for the chat or the pop-out on the side. Right now, the chat is offline, so there isn't a librarian there to answer your question. So if that does happen, you can search through our commonly asked questions and see if that helps you out. When the chat is online, you would be able to type in your name and your question. Our librarians are able to help you with any part of the research process, so that could be making sense of an assignment, formulating a thesis or question to explore, or help with the actual research portion. If you need help with writing or formatting styles like MLA or APA, you should contact the Writing Center, which I'll link below. Below our search bar, there are some alerts. There's an alert bar that's not always going to be there, but if it is, that is a current alert. Below that are our hours, a find section, so different links to things you might need to find, like our databases or electronic reserves. And then some of our services are next to that. So interlibrary loan, our media services are linked there. So I'm going to show you how to use the OneSearch. The OneSearch is not like Google, so it does like it when you use one or two keywords as opposed to an entire question. So I'm going to type in the keyword individualism. And then below that, I can check whether I want full text or peer-reviewed. And I do want both, so I'm going to keep those checked. And I'm going to hit search. Now, if you are off campus, it's going to ask you to log in after you search, or it's going to pop up a bar at the top that says you are off campus. If you're on campus, you will not need to log in. So you just type in your ENMU username and password, and it will log you into the library's website. Once I'm logged in, it shows me my results. On the left-hand side, you'll see a bunch of our filters, so you can filter down your search results. And you can access articles either by clicking on the title or the links below the subjects here. The first link is going to be the most likely link to work for you, and then it gets less likely as it gets further into the page. So I'm going to click on this link and it will pull up my article for me. And there's my article. If you need any help with navigating the library's website, please contact a librarian. They will be able to help you.